Hey there, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants and Friday Night Cocktails.
Yes. Tonight, we are making a cocktail that I've had, but this pretty lady hasn't. We are having a Carajillo, which is espresso martinis are kind of having a big moment right now. Everybody makes them. This is a coffee drink, but it is kind of originated over in Spain, and I think it's better than just an espresso martini. But simple ingredients. You have espresso, which we have a little machine behind us. So we've got a double shot of that. We have Licor 43, which is a Spanish liqueur that is really, the reason they call it Licor 43 is there are 43 ingredients. So it's a very unique taste. What jumps out at me when I have it is citrus and vanilla. If you have it neat, really good. Traditionally, they would probably have brandy in it to kind of bump up the ABV a little bit, but we're going to use Mezcal because I like Mezcal.
Mezcal for brandy, that's the substitution?
Yep, that's what we're doing. I'm in charge.
Is that like
here.
Vanilla and olive oil?
No,
like
it's going to
work.
add a smokiness to it. You will like it.
Okay. I have not had this before, so he's making this for me.
And I don't have a shot glass.
Oh.
I don't have
Just freehand it.
I don't have my jigger. So.
Okay. Now you do.
Now I do. So here we go. So we're going to do 1.5 ounces of our Licor 43, and we're building it in the glass.
In case anybody noticed, we were missing equipment.
Yes, we don't have.
By design.
And then just 1/2 ounce of our Mezcal. And then I'm just going to do a little stir in there to kind of bring that down in temp a little bit. So because I've had Licor 43, as I'm stirring it, I can smell the vanilla along with the smoke from the Mezcal. It's really
interesting.
Yeah. Okay, so that should do. So again, traditionally when this is served, it's going to be kind of a layered drink. So I'm just getting the back of my mixing spoon and I'm going to just slowly pour that over the spoon, and it should kind of layer itself.
Yep, it is.
I mean, it's going to mix a little bit, but you should still see some separation between the liquids. And so this is how they would serve it. So obviously before you would have a small little spoon. I wanted to do this to kind of show you. So I'm just going to do this, and I'm going to give it.
This one doesn't need the sugar cubes.
No, that's a different drink.
You usually have a little sugar with your espresso.
I do, because I have a sweet tooth. So I'm going to let you have the first taste, being that
It's not the prettiest once you mix it.
No, but you wouldn't get all the flavors if
it
you had it the
smells
other
like
way.
an espresso martini.
Okay, well, good.
It's good. It's like just a little bit of smoke, which is like, oh, that's interesting.
Yeah,
It's good. I mean, I like Tuaca a lot. I love espresso.
This isn't Tuaca.
Oh,
so
whoops. I always call it that.
Fired on a Friday night.
I was totally thinking of Tuaca sidecars.
That will be coming soon.
Okay, never mind. Licor 43, whatever.
This would be, again, you could have this as a brunch cocktail. You could have this as an after dinner.
It seems like more like an after dinner.
Yeah, but I really...
Cozy by the fire at the ski lodge.
I really like it. I like it a lot. It's the most dominant thing is the espresso, which it is. Which it should be.
Because it is in the espresso martini family. So,
right.
So maybe not before bed.
I guess it just depends on.
I can have coffee and go to sleep,
Yeah,
but
usually I can as well. So this was fun. We did
Yeah.
a cocktail from Spain and one that you hadn't had before.
Yeah, we'll probably
So-
do a lot of those
Yeah, right.
that I haven't done before, not necessarily in Spain. But
Right.
anyway.
So,
All right,
thank
good
you for
job.
watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Go out and you can find any of these in the liquor store. I mean, these aren't hard to find. So make it yourself. Let us know what you think. So thank you for watching.
Be kind
Eat pizza.
with plants and a cocktail on Friday.
See ya.